Every weekend we had a celebration of something new coming up. We anticipate, for example, to have the first tomato coming out of the garden, the first strawberry. The cooking today I am doing is getting more and more inspired by a strong feel for the season, and the mood of the restaurant, it's also inspired by the season. I have yellow plate, for example, who to me represent the sun. Green definitely represent gardens, grass. Blue is the sky and a little bit more dreaming for dessert. The better the ingredient, the more simple you can cook and the more flavor you can extract from that. I don't like to fuss too much with the food where, we take the food, we put it naturally in the plate. Often I have guests who don't look at the menu and say, I want Daniel to take care of our menu. The customer will come back a month later and say, can I have the same dish? And I say, I'm sorry, I don't even remember what I did because it was just spur of the moment and I cannot gather the ingredient a month later, those exact same ingredient to recreate that same dish. So it's sort of exciting in a sense because Tanya had created something and it's already evaporated.